Hello, this is a short video of another 1/16 scale toy that I have that I made a few years back. It's the International Harvester 4500 Vibra Shank. Now this model here does not come with wings. I made one with wings but traded it with a friend of mine about 10 years ago. So I kept the non-wing one. It was actually pretty representative of the one we had on our farm back in the late 70s. This toy, as you could tell, I've got the ruler out again for scale, gives you an idea of what it was like. Was fairly complex. If you take a look at the entire drive mechanism, let me just get a better focus for you, the entire lift mechanism for the wheels and how that worked. They mimic exactly what they're like in real life. I'll just slide over here somewhat and show you what that looks like. In this particular video, I've left this hooked onto a 966 tractor, which I again just simply put the coupler, custom couplers on the back so that it shows and displays a bit neater. Building the Vibra Shanks themselves again is a learning experience. I used aluminum strips. I'll just grab my handy pen here. Cut aluminum strips at a given size, and then bend them. Hold them in a vise and bend them using a piece of aluminum pipe to get to this point right here. And over here, each shank has a shovel that's threaded and drilled into the final shank product. Now, to get a replica of what a shank looks like, what I've done over here is just simply used 1/4-inch aluminum plate and cut the rough the outline of what a Vibra Shank looks like, and then JB weld the pieces together. As you can tell here, then from this point on, they are simply threaded and set to mount onto the shank, onto the cultivator itself. The cultivator frame is again built with all brass, available at your local hobby shop, and once again, the wheels are bought at farm toy parts dealers, both online and at different toy shows. The winged version of this one was a nice looking toy, but again, this was, I don't have a video, don't have that one anymore, so I can't show you. So hopefully I'm able to capture everything here with this particular film clip of what this toy looks like. A lot of fun to build, and I guess the best way to describe it is that when you build one of these, the shanks take as long as the rest of the entire toy to build. Just given, as you could tell, the complex pieces that do go into building a shank over here, and then putting it to the frame. So it's almost like a two-part project. Building the frame is one thing, and the shanks are something else. So I've gotten to the point of, when I do a lot of cutting with my metal cutting bandsaw, I will do a couple hundred, which will get me through to several toys. So anyhow, this is the 4500 Vibra Shank. Here is a copy of the sales brochure over here. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't show the non-wing version, but through Case IH parts online, the basic frame outline is there to frame and design that particular toy right here. And you can tell even available are the warning decals, which I also put on there as well. Again, a very interesting toy, and hope you enjoy this particular video.